Welcome to Gokak, a city in Karnataka, India, where history and nature converge. Nestled by the Gokak River, this city is a blend of ancient dynasties and modern industry, with cascading waterfalls and vibrant textile mills. In northwestern Karnataka, 60 kilometers from Belagavi, lies Gokak. Positioned on the Gokak River, a tributary of the Ghataprabha, the city is a historical crossroads. Ancient temples and fort remnants whisper tales of the Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas and Marathas. Today, Gokak is a living testament to its rich history and enduring spirit. Gokak's history is shaped by the Chalukyas, who were known for their remarkable contributions to art and architecture. Their influence is still visible in the intricate carvings and majestic temples that dot the landscape of Gokak. These ancient structures tell tales of a bygone era where craftsmanship and devotion were intertwined in every stone. The Rashtrakutas, who followed the Chalukyas, added their own unique touch to the region. They were great patrons of art and culture, and their era saw the construction of many significant monuments and structures. The Marathas, who came later, fortified the region with impressive forts that stand as a testament to their strategic acumen and military prowess. The Chalukyas' architectural marvels and the Rashtrakutas' cultural contributions are evident throughout the city. Each sculpture and monument tells a story of the people who once thrived here, their beliefs, and their way of life. These historical treasures are not just remnants of the past, but are living chronicles that continue to inspire and educate. The Marathas' forts stand as reminders of their strategic prowess. These fortifications were not just military strongholds, but also centers of administration and culture. They played a crucial role in the defense and governance of the region, and their remains offer a glimpse into the Maratha way of life. Beyond empires, Gokak's true spirit lies in the everyday lives of its people. The vibrant streets, bustling marketplaces, and age-old traditions reflect the essence of Gokak. It is in the daily interactions, the festivals and the community gatherings that the heart of Gokak beats strongest. From bustling marketplaces to skilled artisans and hard-working farmers, Gokak is a tapestry of diverse experiences and livelihoods. The marketplace is a hub of activity, where traders and buyers engage in lively exchanges. Artisans, with their skilled hands, create beautiful crafts that are a blend of tradition and innovation. Farmers, toiling in the fields, ensure that the land continues to provide for its people. Gokak's past is rich with untold stories. Each landmark, each photograph, and each tradition holds a piece of the puzzle that is Gokak's history. As we explore these elements, we gain a deeper understanding of the city's journey through time and the resilience and spirit of its people. Gokak Falls, often called the Niagara Falls of India, is a must-see. Located in the Belagavi district of Karnataka, this natural wonder is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. The falls are formed by the Ghataprabha river, which takes a dramatic plunge over a sandstone cliff, creating a mesmerizing sight that attracts visitors from all over the world. The Gokak River plunges over 170 feet, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The sound of the water crashing down is both deafening and soothing, a paradox that only nature can create. The mist that rises from the base of the falls often catches the sunlight, creating beautiful rainbows that add to the magical atmosphere of the place. During monsoon, the falls transform into a roaring torrent, while in drier months, intricate rock formations are revealed. The seasonal changes offer a unique experience each time you visit. In the monsoon, the sheer volume of water is overwhelming, turning the falls into a powerful force of nature. In contrast, the dry season exposes the underlying rock formations, showcasing the geological history of the region. It's a place of both power and tranquility, where nature's beauty is on full display. Whether you're an adventure seeker looking to feel the raw power of the falls or someone seeking a peaceful retreat to connect with nature, Gokak Falls offers something for everyone. The surrounding area is also rich in flora and fauna, making it a perfect spot for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. Truly, Gokak Falls is a symphony of nature, a harmonious blend of sights and sounds that leave an indelible mark on your soul. Gokak's economy thrives on its textile mills, a symbol of its industrial spirit. Founded in 1887, the Gokak Mills played a pivotal role in India's textile industry. Today, the city also boasts engineering firms, food processing plants, and agricultural businesses. Gokak's blend of traditional and emerging industries showcases its resilience and adaptability. Gokak's cultural heritage is a blend of Hindu and Islamic influences. This unique fusion is evident in the city's architecture, festivals, and daily life. The Sri Mallikarjuna Swami Temple and the local mosque are prime examples of this cultural amalgamation, standing side by side as symbols of religious harmony and mutual respect. Temples and mosques stand as testaments to centuries of cultural exchange. These sacred spaces are not just places of worship, but also centers of community life where people gather to celebrate, reflect, and connect. The intricate carvings and architectural styles of these buildings tell stories of a shared past and a collective future. Festivals like Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, and Eid bring the city to life with color and sound. During Diwali, the streets are illuminated with countless lamps, and the air is filled with the sound of firecrackers. Ganesh Chaturthi sees grand processions with beautifully decorated idols of Lord Ganesha, while Eid is marked by communal prayers and feasts that bring families and friends together. The city's architecture, cuisine, and social life reflect this harmonious blend. Walking through the streets of Gokak, one can see a variety of architectural styles, from ancient temples to modern buildings. The local markets are a sensory delight, offering a range of foods that reflect the city's diverse culinary heritage, from spicy curries to sweet delicacies. Gokak's cultural vibrancy is a celebration of its diverse traditions. The city's festivals, architecture, and daily life are a testament to the enduring spirit of unity and diversity. In Gokak, every day is a celebration of its rich cultural tapestry, where every corner tells a story of harmony and shared heritage. Gokak is well connected by roads and railways. National Highway 4 links it to major cities, while the Gokak Road railway station offers a nostalgic travel experience. Brightly painted lorries or jingle trucks add charm to the city's transportation landscape. Whether by road or rail, Gokak offers various ways to explore its surroundings. Gokak offers a treasure trove of experiences for travelers. From the majestic Gokak Falls to serene reservoirs and ancient temples, the city beckons with adventure. The Gokak Sri Mallikarjuna Swami Temple and Chandrampali Reservoir are must-visits. Gokak's spiritual and natural beauty promises a memorable journey. Gokak's commitment to education is evident in its schools and colleges. The city's educational institutions are vibrant hubs of learning and cultural exchange. Students from diverse backgrounds come together, united by shared dreams. Gokak's educators play a pivotal role in shaping the city's future. Gokak is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. The city's linguistic diversity is mirrored in its culinary landscape. Everyday interactions reflect Gokak's spirit of inclusivity and acceptance. Gokak is a place where shared humanity transcends differences. Gokak balances industry and agriculture, showcasing its adaptability. The Gokak Mills symbolize the city's industrial heritage. Surrounding fertile lands support diverse crops like sugarcane, groundnut, and cotton. This harmony between industry and agriculture defines Gokak's unique character. As our journey through Gokak ends, we admire its depth and beauty. From the Gokak Falls to ancient temples and vibrant mills, Gokak is a city of contrasts. Its people, resilient and committed to progress, embody its spirit. Gokak is not just a destination, it's an experience waiting to be discovered. Your journey awaits.